here is, I don't know what kind of ceiling fan this is. I think it's from Walmart. It's definitely a cheap fan. This is in my mom's old bedroom at my Nana's house, so the paneling in here is amazing. I love these old dated bedrooms. So let's start this thing. Yeah, I forgot what this thing replaced. But it's a cheap fan. I want to put that Tatung fan that I have up. Yeah, I'm at my Nana's house for spring break. That's why I'm not. So when I get back home, because the internet at this house is not the best, so when I get back home, I'm going to be uploading a bunch of ceiling fan videos. Here's medium. Doesn't really move that much air because, like I said, it's a cheap fan. But it moves an okay amount of air for this fan. It doesn't really light up this room because it uses those little candelabra bulbs. I honestly hate those things. Here's high. It starts wobbling a little, but what do you expect? It's a fan we got at Walmart for I don't know how much. So yeah.